When I order my heat shrink tubing from GoToMarine.com, I order it in longer pieces like this so that I can custom cut the lengths that I need. You'll notice it comes in different diameters. I make sure I get all the different size diameters to fit the different cables that we're building on our boats. But most importantly, I make sure that the heat shrink tubing that we order is adhesive-lined. Notice as we hit this heat shrink with our heat gun here, we're gonna have glue pouring out both ends of the tubing. See that glue coming out there? Look at that. That provides a watertight seal on both ends. That is the best connection you can have on your battery cables and your marine wiring inside your boat right there. Look at the glue on this end. When you're ordering heat shrink, I highly recommend this adhesive-lined heat shrink. You can find it online at GoToMarine.com. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you next time.